Hello friends, I'm Gabriel and you're watching the Look Digital Signage channel. Okay, you're not new to digital signage. You already have displays within which you can show certain videos and images in full screen mode, and everything seems to be going well and working to achieve your goals and objectives. But let me ask you one question. Are you sure that that's all your screen is capable of? You've probably seen digital signage screens divided into various zones that each uniquely display information. It may include a ticker or of tweets at the bottom of the screen, a weather widget in the top right, and a news feed in the bottom left. The ability to display numerous pieces of data at once makes it a popular option, as it provides more space for advertising, branding, and entertainment. Flash drive, of course, can't do that. But a good and inexpensive digital signage software will help you solve this task without any problems. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up such a broadcast scenario using the power of Look Digital Signage service. For this purpose, as usual, we need to sign in to our personal Look Content Manager account. Next, we move on to the layout section, which is well known to us from many previous videos. Here, you can choose one of the various ready-made templates and then customize it for your needs, or create your own layout from scratch. That is what we are going to do now. We'll design the most versatile option, which may be suitable for waiting area in the clinic, as well as for the hotel lobby or office space, for example. To do this, we'll slightly reduce the main area in which your playlist will be played. Please note that the aspect ratio of each content item you plan to use in it has to match the screen area allocated for the playlist. We add the following elements to the newly created zones: a logo in the upper left corner of the screen, and the weather up in its upper part. Well, let's put a clock here and place the official Instagram page under it in the bottom. There we go. We'll launch a ticker with CNN news feed. Of course, as content for additional screen zones, you can also use various videos and images, text blocks, as well as any built-in applications available in the Look CMS, including embeddable code, which allows you to grab and place widgets from third-party web pages right into your screens by copying an open iframe code. Well, let's check the results on our screen. Do you want to try it yourself? There's nothing easier. A 14 days free trial in the Look CMS is always at your service, guys. So, it's time to say goodbye. If you like this video, put your fingers up. This will definitely be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe. That was Gabriel here, and see you in the next video.